Alright, I'm in Menards. Here to see if my lawnmower is ready. Alright, order pickup. Let's see if they have it. I had a quick stop in the pickup area. I'm already thinking about next year. I want to do something about all the clippings that get into the mulch bed. So I'll probably put some pavers down. Look great. Well, didn't happen today, so I guess I'll wait for the real confirmation email. Then I'll come back. All right, we'll do this again. She lives to see another day. To be continued. I didn't get my lawnmower, but this is exactly how you want to end your day after all the work you put in. This is great for your yard. All right, I'm back. I've called everything. They can't find my order. Let's see if I can return it. See if they have some on the shelves already. This is what they have on the floor. I don't see anything close to what I'm looking for, paid for anyway. It's not good. Well, look what we have here. It looks like the one I ordered. They said they have 8 online, and it looks like it too. I don't know if this is really the one. I don't think so. Oh, it is the one. Yeah. That's it. Yep, that's the bag. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh yeah. Let's see if they can help me out. It worked out, folks. I did the switch, got the one off the floor. And the one that I ordered is somewhere in that store, looking for a home. But we did. Finally made it. Welcome home. No, wait. No. I'm gonna always care about you. You have a special place in my heart. I just think it's time to move on. What we had was special, but we've just outgrown each other, and I think we're just better apart, that's all. Okay? It's not you, it's me. Anyway. What? What did you say? I wish you would. I wish you would. Anyway. See what we got here. So, what? You're taking the oil and the gas. Who the hell do you think you are? Huh? You're not taking nothing. You're leaving what you came with in a box. Get out of here. What? She's bigger than you. Yeah, she weighs a little more. So what? So what? Piece of... You know what? You'll miss me when I'm gone. How about that? You'll miss me. You miss me already. She never acted like that before, and you know, I'm glad that it came out and it happened. So at least I know her true feelings. Wow, unbelievable. Oh well. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, this is where it'll be for the time being. Might put it together tomorrow.